study English pronunciation. I will teach you in my verse sounds like course, core, horse, and worse. I will keep you Susie busy. Make your head with heat go dizzy. Tear in eye, your dress will tear. So shall I, who hear my prayer, is compare heart, beard, and heart, dice and giant, lord and word, sword and sword, retain and retain. Mind the ladder how it's written. Now, I surely will not plague you with such a words as black and iggy. But be careful how you speak. Say brick and stick, but leak and streak. Cloven, oven, how and low. Scrape, receipt, show, home, and so. Hear me say, devoid of trickery. Daughter, laughter, and gypsycary. Typhoid, missiles, topsails, easels. Exiles, similes, and revise. Scholar, vicar, and cigar. Solar, mica, war, and far. One, anemone, balmoral, kitchen, lichen, laundry, laurel. Gertrude, German, wind, and mind. C, melpomene, mankind. Violet does not rhyme with violet. Bouquet, wallet, mallet, chalet. Blood and flood are not like food, nor is mold like should and wood. Viscous, viscount, load and broad. Toward, to forward, to reward. And your pronunciation's okay when you correctly say croquet. Rounded, wounded, grieve and sieve. Friend and fin, alive and live. Ivy, privy, famous, claymore. And enamor rhyme with hammer. River, rival, tomb, bomb, comb. Dull and roll, and some and home. Stranger does not rhyme with anger, neither does devour and clangor. Souls but foul, hunt but aunt. Font, front, want, grand and grant. Shoes, goes, does, now first say finger. And then singer, ginger, linger. Rail, zeal, move, goes, gauge, and gauge. Marriage, foliage, mirage, and age. Fury does not rhyme with very, nor does fury sound like bury. Dos, los, pose, and dot, clout, load. Job, nav, bosom, transom, out. Though the difference is same, little we say actual but victual. Refer does not rhyme but differ. Pfeiffer does, and zipper, heifer. Mint, pine, senate, and sedate. Doll, bowl, and George ate late. Cynic, Arabic, Pacific. Science, conscience. Scientific, liberty, library, heave and heaven. Rachel, ache, mustache, 11. We say hallowed, but aloud. People, leopard, sold, but bow. Mark the differences moreover between mover, cover, clover. Breeches, breeches, wise, precise. Chalice, but police, and lies. Camel, constable, and stable. Principal, disciple, label. Petal, panel, and canal. Wait, surprise, play, promise, pat. Worm and storm, chase, chaos, chair, senator, spectator, mayor. Tour but hour and secure. 4. Gus, alas, and Arkansas. C. Idea, Korea, area. Some, Maria but malaria. Youth, south, southern, plains and plain. Doctrine, turpentine, marine. Compare Ellen with Italian. Sally with ally. Yeah, ye, I, a, way and K. Say ever, but ever, favor. Nether, leisure, skein, receiver, heron, granary, canary, crevasse, and device. And airy, face but free face, not efface. Phlegmatic, ass, glass, bass, large but target, gin, gift, virgin, out, just and scar, scourging. Air but earn and wear and tear. Do not rhyme with hair but ear. 7 is right but so is even. Hyphen, roughen, nephew, Stephen. Monkey, donkey, torque and jerk. As, was, and cork and work. Pronunciation stink of sight. Is up, paling stout and spiky. Won't it make you lose your wits? Writing grows and seeing quits. It's a dark abyss or tunnel. Strong stones, stowed, solace, gunwell, Islington and Isle of Wight. Housewife, verdict and insight. Finally, which rhymes with enough, dough, draw, blah, or dog, or cough. High cough has the sound of cough. My advice is to give it up. And that's all. Thank you.